What a beautiful morning. It's cold this morning, quite a frost. Good morning everybody, welcome back. It's a Monday morning and I'm out round the village. Just had a quick look in the churchyard to see if there's anything different about. But I've come for a walk around the fields and the woods and just to see what's around, so I'll catch you in a minute. Got 3 road here. It is glorious this morning. We had quite a frost. It's chilly, but the sun is out. It's beautiful. I don't want to go home. Well, I don't have to go home at the moment, but I'm just going to carry on up the bank. First baby rabbits of the year.